Hi everybody. Welcome back to Catherine's Corner. Sophie and I are here to share with you my Better Beauty box. This is upside down. I already cut the tape, but I haven't opened it. This is what we have inside today. Let's see who the lucky recipients are. Cats Cradle Foundation, a rescue foundation for senior cats based in Tampa, Florida. So that's who is going to be receiving donations from the purchase of this box. That's the one thing I love about this box. My hair looks terrible. I really probably should have washed it, but oh well. Let's see what I got here. Buddha Butter, Suds of Love Moisturizing Soap. Bathe, shampoo, and shave. Unscented, certified organic. Cool, organic and refined olive oil, coconut oil, fair trade shea butter, filtered spring water, sodium hydroxide. None remains in finished soap. Okay. Well, let's open it up and look at it. What the heck? Cute packaging. Just a round thing of soap. Totally unscented. We will try that. Definitely. I've had good luck with the products I've been trying. I think there was a toothpaste, really good. Some of the shampoos and conditioners, really good. What is the value on that? $6.95 for the Suds of Love soap. Let's see what's in this big box. Oh my God. Dizzle Love It Makeup Melt Cleansing Balm. Okay, I've been doing a lot of makeup looks, so squeeze a quarter size of age-freeze gel mask into the, I won't use a brush, I'll use my fingers. Leave it on until dried. Using lukewarm water, gently massage mask as it melts with water, off with water. Wash thoroughly. I don't know, that's weird. Make deep cleansing massage effect and skin hydration. It has acerola, papaya, and aloe. Well, we'll give it a try. That one is worth $24. This one is the Takasumi Detox Overnight Dry Shampoo. Oh, I could have used that in brunette. New Wing It lift technology used to propel powder without the use of aerosol gases. Oh, that's really cool. It says your scalp produces the most oil overnight, detoxifying charcoal to absorb all odor and sweat while you sleep. Huh. Spray well before each use. Shake well before each use. Duh. Spray product directly at roots. Do not brush thoroughly or rub in. Leave overnight. In the morning, massage or brush only remaining product through hair. We'll try this. That one, the dry shampoo. Where's the dry shampoo? Is worth $33. That's expensive shampoo. What do I have here? Oh, Estate Lip Icing. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's see. This is kind of pretty. What's this worth? $10. What's the other thing in my box? Skylar Clean Beauty, Cappuccino, what is this? Oh, it's a fragrance. Okay, let's try this first. And put on makeup so I could use whatever was in my box. Kind of just a slight color. Nice and slippery. Okay, and this last one is Perfume Roller in Vanilla Sky. Okay, it offers clean fragrance with a completely transparent list of ingredients. Rich, warm vanilla notes mingle with hints of cappuccino. The cappuccino notes elevate the vanilla profile with the perfect amount of sweetness. Oh, we're going to try this. I don't drink coffee, but I gotta say, I like the smell of coffee. Oh, it's pretty rollerball. It's a tiny little rollerball. Let's put some on here. Give it a minute. We'll have to give that a minute to see because things change on me. But I would love to have a good perfume that doesn't set off a headache. I'll tell you what. Will you say, Soph? She's got a wild hair. Hold on, let's get your wild hairs on. You don't care. You don't want me to play with your face. Okay. She don't want me to play with her face. Mostly vanilla. That might be a keeper, let me tell you. So the value of this box, what was the total value? Does it give me a total? A value of, this is the February box. I know things are running late this month. I don't know why. $103.95. So good value. Can't wait to try the other products. This is always more of a skincare and hair care value, box, but everything is always cruelty free. I've tried some great products that I would like to try again, and I really love that everything goes to an animal shelter of some kind. Look at those kitties. How could you resist senior kitties? Well, you probably could, huh, Sophie? She's kind of, look at the camera and say, I'm a jealous girl, because she is a jealous girl. But she's my jealous girl, and I love her. Huh? Mommy loves you, because you're so sweet. She's my sweetie. Well, that's all for today. I love the Better Beauty box. I will probably always get the Better Beauty box. I says not as much makeup in it, but the products have all been excellent. I've been so happy with it, even though the other boxes are including more cruelty-free products. This one is like kind of the first, and she's always been a leader in promoting cruelty-free products. So Cruelty-Free Kitty, if you want to look her up online, that's who started the Better Beauty box. You can look up Better Beauty box online. I forget how much I pay for that, somewhere around $40. Worth every penny, obviously. Consider subscribing to it. I'm glad I do. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Thank you for visiting. Bye.